Hey guys, what's up? Back your girl Patriana, Sonia here, and welcome to Everglades National Park in Homestead, Florida. Alright, come explore with me.
Getting coverage for many different kinds of animals, including fish, turtles, frogs, snakes, and even baby alligators. So whenever you guys see lily pads, try to scan over it. You never know what you might find. Protected land, but that's only the park. The entire system of the Everglades combined from where they begin south of Orlando all the way down to where they end at the southern tip of Florida. It's roughly 5.6 million acres of land. What we have out here is all fresh water. This fresh water flows down south from Lake Okeechobee. That's the big lake in the center of South Florida. Throughout the spring and summertime and parts of the fall, that's called our wet season. We get a lot of rainfall down here and that fills up the lake. Through a series of canals, the water is slowly released out into the park.
Okay guys, just did the boat tour into the Everglades National Park here.
Eats a toad, makes a dog sick, teaches a dog, don't eat any more toads. These will kill a dog or cat. They're all...
With the mascot! Asha with the mascot!
Are cold-blooded. We have to sit in the sun to get warm. We need to be at least 84 degrees Fahrenheit to digest food. Too cold and they eat something, it rots in their stomach. These guys, all the bumps on their back, each has a bone and a blood vessel. They act like solar panels, helping to heat up the body. Now, the question I get all the time, no animal will ever hurt you. Now you gotta figure, these are extremely difficult to acquire. If anybody wants to find one, just pick one up from the rock pile. That's where I got this one. want to test one out, we'll make you walk inside here. Alligators are also one of those few animals that can walk upright in all four, stretch out with all four. Most mammals, dog, cat, sheep, pig, goat, horse, deer, cow, can't stick their Cool. I said cool. Temperature determining gender, one of the theories on the demise of the dinosaurs. Thinking of global climate change, all the eggs came out one sex, hence they couldn't reproduce. That's his. Now, a lot of people say if an alligator's chasing you to run zigzag, they would catch you before you make your first zoom. It's deceiving. They're very fast. Lightning bolt out of the water. They'd catch deer, they'd catch birds, they would catch you. Again, the power of the stone. These work on tigers and lions too.
Bye.
Got this super easy.
Yeah, you got it, girl.
You get to see her tearing up and everything with excitement.
Okay guys, we just finished our tour at the Gator Park here, part of the Everglades National Park for my friends. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video today, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!